How to download and install BeReal. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to download and install BeReal. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to download and install BeReal, and I'm going to be doing it on an Android device. But the process should be very similar on other devices. Okay, so first head over to the Play Store. Then tap on the search bar in the top of the screen, and then do a search for BeReal. Tap on the BeReal app in the search results, and then tap on Install. If prompted, enter in any passwords or IDs to confirm that you want to download the app. BeReal will then be installed on your mobile device. This process may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the BeReal app. And that's all it takes to download and install BeReal on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.